This video will show you how to create a new SQL Server project in Visual Expert. Go to File, New Project to launch the wizard, or access it through this shortcut. Select your language, in this case, Transact-SQL. Then select how Visual Expert can find your code. You can select specific files or folders. Or connect directly to the SQL Server database. Here, enter your database connection settings. Wait for this window to load with all the tables, procedures, triggers, etc. found in your database. See the full list of items by selecting View All. Use the filters on your side to narrow down your project and filter by project type. Click on Add DB Owner to filter by database owner. See how Visual Expert automatically generates this information for you. Notice how the list of items in the main view changes with the filter used. You can also filter by object name, using a specific pattern and selecting the type of object. Once you have added a filter, you can edit it or remove it. In the next step, you can either go back or add more code to your project. For example, add a text file or Power Builder code to your project. Or continue with project setup. In this window, assign a unique project name. Here, decide whether to launch your analysis straight away or schedule it for a later time. The option automatically uses a system tray program or Windows service to identify when your computer is not being used to launch the analysis, or schedule the analysis to start around a specific time. For large projects, we do recommend scheduling your project to run at night in order to have a fresh analysis in the morning and free up your computer's resources. You can now open Project Setup to open the Project Settings menu, where you can manage performances, access control and other features, or launch the analysis. Now that you have created your project, check out the other videos and see how to explore and maintain your code with Visual Expert.